budget is here, but I've seen your hands.
Dr SK Macharia akiheana woni wake kuri kamiti ino iria inanagio BBI augite gutire gatiba ingiteithia bururi kuona ni ugayukanitio na ukabira na njira nene, akiuga gatiba ndibatii gucenjio undu ikuima Mukenya kihoto gia guthura atongoria aria eyendeire.
We created a very good constitution. If we can eliminate tribalism in Kenya, if we can eliminate stealing of elections in Kenya, and all communities work together in Kenya, there is nothing wrong in the pure presidential system. It would work perfectly well.
Na riri kwendekithitio ati gatiba igarurwo niguo gutura mieke makiria ya utongoria iria ikunina unduriri. Dr Macharia augite giki tikio kihonia indi ni atongoria matie gatiba. Riu arendekithia handu-ini ha kwambika guthondeka gatiba weru, gatiba iria iri kuo iria iri na miaka 9 niyo ibatie kugarurirwo icunji imwe niguo kuhe honge ciothe ithatu cia thirikari uigananu.
Haven't heard about this lifestyle audit again, and believe me or not, if lifestyle audit is brought here, and all Kenya government need to do, don't appoint a farm from here. Ask UK government to give you a farm, and Scotland police bring a few people here, and appoint few individuals. It's easy.
Hamwe na kuhurana na ungumania uria ugite withecereire kinyagia magoti-ini.
If you have a corrupt judicial system, if the judiciary, even with the president can succeed in what he's trying to do, to fight corruption in the civil service, in the public, even in the business communities. But if judiciary is corrupt, there is nothing you can do about corruption.
Oho ni ahinyiriirie bata wa thirikari gutia nyumba cia mohoro, akiuga uyu ni watho ukoretwo ukiunwo o riri gatiba ihete nyumba cia mohoro wiathi ucio. Kamiti ino ningi ni cereire speaker wa bunge ya bururi Justin Muturi uria wendekithitie gatiba icenjio niguo ihe ciama cia kiuteti hinya wa guthuraga magavana handu-ini ha muingi, kuria nake Muikariri giti wa commission ya ugai wa kigina Justin Ghai uria onake wikinyitie mbere ya commission iyo endekithitie watho wa ugai wa mbeca gatagati-ini ga thirikari cia kaunti na ya kibururi ugathikwo na uthingatithio niguo kweheria kiagago. Agi aria mekinyitie mbere ya kamiti iyo na kuheana woni wa honge ciao ni muthurimi wa budget ya Agnes Odhiambo na mutaaramu wa maundu ma gatiba Professor Yash Pal Ghai. Ni mihang'o-ini ya kumurika maundu maria makoretwo makigumira bururi mwathanire-ini hamwe na muikarire, kamiti ino ya wohaniri igitanywo gugatemania riboti yayo iri na mendekithia ma kihonia kia maundu maya ikirikia itina riayo ria wira. Handu-ini ha iNooro TV kuma nyumba-ini ya micemanio ya KICC, jitagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.